Hello all, welcome to the video lecture on types and function of chemical bonds, which is the part of paper 3 biology of chemistry of TYBSc zoology semester 3 curriculum of Savitribai Phule Pune University. In this lecture we will learn different types and function of chemical bonds. Chemical bonds, the bonds is nothing but is an attraction between two atoms. These two atoms or more than two atoms unite and form a molecule. Such two molecule or more than two molecule form a cell, and cell further act as a basic unit of any living organism. Hence, chemical bond is play a vital role in any living organism body. Chemical bond can be defined as is an attraction between two atoms due to the sharing of electrons between atoms or a complete transfer of electron from one atom to another atom. The function of chemical bond is it maintain integrity of body of living organism. There are basically three types of chemical bonds: ionic bond, covalent bond and non-covalent bond. Non-covalent bond is further divided into four more types: hydrogen bond, hydrophobic bond, electrostatic bond and van der Waals forces. The different characteristic of each type of this chemical bond we'll learn here. We'll begin with ionic bond and its function. Bonds again is a force of attraction. Ionic bond is a force of attraction between two atoms produced due to partial opposite charges. Okay. Partial opposite charges are produced due to a complete transfer of electron from one atom to the another. Okay, now how the partial opposite charges produces? When one atom donates its extra electron present in their outer shell to the other atom which requiring extra electron to complete its outer shell, produces partial opposite charges. The atom who donate the electron produces partial positive charge, whereas the atom who accept the electron produces partial negative charge. The force of attraction between partial positive and partial negative atom result into a formation of ionic bond. Example is NaCl molecule. In NaCl molecule, Na is with 11 electron, whereas Cl is with 17 electron. That means in outer shell of sodium it possesses one extra electron, whereas the outer shell of chlorine possesses total 7 electron, means it requires one extra electron to fulfill its outer shell. Hence, chlorine receives one extra electron from sodium molecule, resulted into a stable dry NaCl molecule. This force of attraction between positively charged sodium atom with the negatively charged chlorine atom is called ionic bond. Function of ionic bond. The compound results from ionic bond are called ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are stable and dry at room temperature. They are water soluble and they can dissociate easily with the water into the body. Hence, they are a good choice for drug synthesis. Such drug can be stored easily at room temperature. Second function of ionic bond is it provides protein shape. The tertiary and quaternary shape of protein is due to its ionic bond, which is mandatory for enzyme activity as well as forming building blocks of the body. Third function of ionic bond is it provides shape to the chromosome. The force of attraction between two nucleosomes is a ionic bond, as well as each nucleosome is made up of 8 histone molecule. This histone molecule is attached with each other by a ionic bond. Next function of ionic bond is it involves in muscle contraction. The action potential of sodium, calcium and potassium ion is depend on a ionic bond. Hence, muscle contraction is also depend on ionic bond. Fifth function is cell shape. Ionic bond is involved in cell shape as the integrity of entire cell is depend on a ionic bond. Sixth function is ionic bond is involved in catalytic reaction. When two substances mix or react, it produces a stable intermediate and a stable product. This stability of intermediate or stability of product is depend on a ionic bond. Hence, catalytic reactions are depend on a ionic bond. Next function is ionic bond are involved in neuron function. Action potential of sodium and potassium ion is required for cell signaling or neuron signaling. Hence, ionic bond is depend on neuron function also. Next type of chemical bond is covalent bond. Ionic bonds were formed due to complete transfer of electron from one atom to the another atom. It results into partial positive charge at its donor and partial negative charge at its acceptor. In contrast with the ionic bond, covalent bond involves sharing of electron between two atoms. Hence, as covalent bonds are not just having force of attraction but also involve a direct sharing of electron, they are the strongest bond. For sharing of electron, it is necessary that the outer shell of atom supposed to be partially filled. The example of covalent bond is hydrogen-hydrogen covalent bond and oxygen-oxygen double bond. In case of hydrogen, the outer shell of hydrogen contains only one electron. Hence, for forming stable hydrogen molecule, it required one more electron which they share with the another hydrogen atom. Similarly, oxygen have 6 electrons at its outer shell. Hence, they required 2 more electrons to share from the another oxygen atom. Hence, they form O2 molecule. Covalent bonds leads to polarity. Polarity means capacity to saturate. In case of covalent bond, this bond forms due to sharing of electron between two atoms. Hence, both the atom possess partial electronegative charges. Hence, the force of attraction between two atoms is called electronegativity.
When this electronegativity is more, then bond is called strongest covalent bond, whereas when the electronegativity is less, then it's called weak covalent bond. When covalent bond is occur between two atoms of the same element, say for example, covalent bond occur between oxygen atoms, it share same electronegativity, means they are sharing same number of electron, which lead into a non-polar covalent bond, means they are strongest and they are very tough to break. Whereas when covalent bond occur between two atoms of the different element, usually these two different element or these two different atoms share a different number of electron, resulted into a different electronegativity, resulted into a formation of polar covalent bond, which can dissociate easily and can saturate other compound or molecule easily. Example is water molecule. In case of water molecule, two hydrogen molecules are covalently bound with the one oxygen molecule. Oxygen have 6 electrons at its outer shell. It required 2 electrons to become a stable oxygen molecule. Hence, they share 1 electron from one hydrogen atom and another electron from another hydrogen atom, resulted into a stable water molecule. Function of covalent bonds. Covalent bonds are present in a molecule which can be present in gaseous, liquid or solid form at room temperature. Covalent bond provide stability to compound. Hence, carbon-carbon is the basis for the most of the biomolecule. The monosaccharide are attached with each other and form a complex sugar. This bond occur between the two monosaccharides is called glycosidic bond. This glycosidic bond is also a covalent bond. Similarly, two amino acids attach to each other and form a protein. This bond present between the two amino acids is called peptide bond. Is also a covalent bond. Almost all the enzymes and the hormones are protein in nature. They regulate the physiology of living body. Hence, peptide bonds are the crucial for regulating the physiology of any living organism. Thank you. In next lecture, we'll see the properties and function of non-covalent bond.